Happy President's Day. I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. We have a coastal flood advisory in effect for the morning here. We have already peaked in our flood stage across the area. This is for Cape May Harbor, and this is pretty representative of all of the Atlantic Ocean waters in solid minor flood stage. Now, in minor flood stage, water does get onto that first block or two of bayside roadways. You don't want to drive through them. Not only do you not know how deep it is, but in addition to that, that is salt water, which does corrode. In addition to that, brief roadway closures on Black Horse Pike, White Horse Pike, Shore Road, if you're over in Absecon, places like that are expected to see some water on them. And this is all the counties except for Cumberland. Delaware Bay is looking okay this morning. The other story we had is the rain overnight, and the rain is pushing out and should be out of everywhere by about 9 a.m. Rainfall totals generally between a half inch to an inch of rainfall, so it was a solid soaking, but nothing too dangerous for us here, just a little slick on the morning commute, but that is all. Satellite this morning, we have a low pressure system that's situated just to our east-northeast. We also have another one in Pennsylvania. I didn't put it there, but pretty much this is what's giving us the rain. It is moving away from us. And then we have this low pressure system here in the desert southwest. It actually brought snow to Las Vegas overnight, and that's going to be our storm as we go into Wednesday, which, yes, will be wintry. But what I want you to focus on right now is this. We are tapped into the tropics. Notice those clouds, they extend all the way back into about the tropical Pacific, and this has been our pattern for much of the winter. Generally, we have been on the milder side and wetter. And if you're in South Jersey and you like the snow, when we haven't been that, we have been just cold enough for a storm track to track over us and give us some snow. Northern half of the state, not as much. Now, let's go forward in time over the next couple of days. That low pressure system moves up into the Great Lakes and comes our way. These are today's temperatures. Now, we have a cold and dry air here, and that helps keep us ripe for the wintry starts of the storm that we will see on Wednesday. This is something called cold air damming, very similar to what we had last week. Now, let me show you what we're talking about here. Again, similar last Monday's storm. Starts as snow during the late morning to about midday on Wednesday, then changes to sleet, then rain during the late afternoon into the evening. These are snow and sleet totals between 1 to 4 inches. We'll have a snow map out for you later, but least at the snow, closer to 1 there, and then rain ends on Thursday morning. For this morning, temperatures rise through the 40s here. Rain ends by 9 a.m. As we go into the afternoon, mid-40s for us. It turns gusty. We have a northwest wind, 14 to 22 miles an hour, gusting to 35 here. So could have a couple toppled over garbage cans during the afternoon. Then for tonight, winds are still stiff during the evening, but then they fall off after midnight. That allows temperatures to fall pretty quickly into the 20s here for much of the mainland, and 20s for the shore too, though we will be on the mid to upper side of that at the shore. Then for Tuesday, chilly day here. That's actually about 7 degrees below average for mid-February here in the upper 30s. We have plenty of sunshine though, and it is our calm before the storm. Mainland 7-day forecast, again, snow to mix to rain as we go Wednesday into Thursday here. And then on the other side of this, nice pair of days Friday and Saturday. We are mild and we see a good amount of sunshine. Then we have a rainstorm for Sunday. Short 7-day forecast, morning coastal flooding. And pretty much the same story here, but it will change over to mix and rain quicker at the shore on Wednesday. And then pretty much the same story as we go into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We have the latest on the coastal flood advisory. We'll be talking more about what's going to happen in the midweek on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can also find us on our website at thepressofac.com/weather.